Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix NVIDIA control panel not showing in Windows 11, 10. Type NVIDIA control panel in Windows search bar, click NVIDIA control panel. Click Desktop, select Add Desktop context menu. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Right-click NVIDIA Display Container Service, click Restart. Right-click NVIDIA Frame View SDK Service, click Start. Right-click NVIDIA Local System Container Service, click Restart. Third method is open any browser, type NVIDIA graphics driver in browser search bar. Select product type, series, product, operating system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.